Hi students, today we discussed about the topic of intermediate second year topic like the packing efficiency. It is very most important topic. What is the meaning of packing efficiency? Packing efficiency means the number of atoms or the number of percentage of atoms are present in the unit cell, that is called packing efficiency. The number of percentage of atoms are present in the unit cell, it is called packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is represented by Z into Z means the number of atoms are present in the unit cell, like Z into the value of the atom by total value of unit cell. Okay students, because of its percentage, so it is indicates into 100. So this is the formula of packing efficiency. The formula of packing efficiency Z into the value of the atom by total value of the unit cell into 100. Suppose what is the value of the atom? The value of atom is 4 by 3rd pi r cube. Why? Because it is the 4 by 3rd pi r cube. Atoms are present in the unit cell as like sphere, this type of sphere. Okay students, so the value of the sphere 4 by 3rd pi r cube. Next, total value of unit cell is A cube. Why it is A cube? Suppose we have taken this is unit cell. This is the unit cell. Okay students, what type of unit cell? This is the PCC. PCC means primitive cubic crystal. Means primitive unit cell. This is primitive unit cell. Unit cell. In the primitive unit cell means the number of corner, 8 corner atoms only. It has contains of only 8 corner atoms. Okay students, this is primitive unit cell. You have taken primitive unit cell. This primitive unit cell, it contains of dot indicates sphere-like shape of atom. Okay, this sphere-like shape of atom, the value of the atom 4 by 3rd pi r cube. Next, cube, the value of cube, this is unit cell. So the value of cube, this is side A and another side A. And this side also A. A into A, that is value of cube A cube. Okay students. Now we discuss. First of all we find that these R value. Okay students. What is the radius? R means radius. The radius of the sphere, atom is. Suppose you have taken what is the first cell? Primitive unit cell like PCC. This is primitive cell. This is the primitive cell. What is the meaning of primitive cell? Primitive cell means only carbon atoms. These two are carbon atoms. We have taken these two are carbon atoms. Because of these two carbon atoms are packed one with another. Not only these two atoms, we have taken any two atoms. Because of this primitive cell contains 8 carbon atoms. Okay students, 8 carbon atoms. This is radius R. This is also radius R. But what is the side of primitive unit cell? A students. This is also A. This is also A. Okay, this is also So A equal to 2R. Say sir, A equal to 2R. Okay, R equal to A by 2 student. It is the radius of the primitive unit cell. Radius of the primitive unit cell of the atom. Now we discuss packing efficiency of the atom. What is the packing efficiency? The packing efficiency in the first crystal. What is the first crystal? PCC. PCC means primitive cubic unit cell. Okay. First you have to find that the value of Z. What is the value of Z? What is the meaning of Z? Z means the number of atoms present in the unit cell. This is one type of unit cell. What type of unit cell? This is the primitive unit cell. How many number of atoms are present in the primitive unit cell? Primitive unit cell means only 8 carbon atoms. It enough. These carbon, how many carbon atoms are present in the primitive unit cell? 8 carbon atoms. Z equal to 8 carbon atoms. One carbon atom contribute 1/8 part. Means one carbon atom contribute 1/8 part means these one carbon atom along with 8 cubic cells. So one carbon atom contains of 1/8 part of contribution. What is the contribution of carbon atoms? 1/8. So 8 cancel. So 1 atom students. Z value is 1 atom. Okay students, clear? Now these values are placed in the packing efficiency formula. What is the packing efficiency? Z means 1 into the value of the atom. What is the value of the atom? 4/3 pi. R cube means what is the value of R? A by 2 whole cube. A by 2 whole cube. And what is the total value of the unit cell? A cube students. A cube into 100. Okay students. Now 4/3 pi into A cube by 8 by A cube into 100 students. It is the packing efficiency of PCC. Get A cube cancel. Now 4 pi into 3 into 1/8 into 100. Okay students, the value 4 1s are 4 2s are pi by 6 into 100 students. Packing efficiency equal. Finally, what is the value of pi? 3.14. Okay students, 3.14 by 6 into 100. And last one, these simplified, we get the packing efficiency of PCC. PCC means primitive cubic unit cell is around 52.4%. Means 52.4% of atoms are present in the primitive unit cell. Remaining space, what will be the space? The empty space of PCC is 100 minus, because of 100, totally 100%. 100 minus 52.4, we get the final empty space is 48.6%. It is the very most important MCET bit. What will be the percentage of empty percentage of atoms in the primitive unit cell? That is 48.6% of empty space. What will be the atoms are present in the primitive unit cell? That is 52.4%. Okay students, how to frame the bit? One type of bit, MCET bit like that. This is, once observe student, the empty space of PCC is dash Option A 52.4 percentage, B 64 percentage, 68 percentage, C 48.6 percentage, D 74 percentage. What is the empty space of primitive cells, students? 100 minus 52.4 percentage, because of we get 48.6 percentage. So what will be the answer? We will go with C, option C. It is very most important. Okay students, thank you for watching. This is the this is the packing efficiency of PCC. Next class we discuss packing efficiency of BCC and FCC. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching.